So I'm working on fitting this deck system into the mini truck. So in order to do that, it's obviously not made for it. I am taking some template material, measuring it, cutting it up on the CNC. As it goes in, we're gonna make a full one-piece surround system that goes all the way around it in a textured HDPE marine grade plastic, and that will make this whole thing look flush and connect the entire bed of this truck together. However, before we do the completed top, we have to get the truck over into the welding shop, get the metal cut, get the rack welded up, put it in place, make sure it fits, and get it all painted up, good to go before we work on the next section. Working on getting this back rack set up. Gonna put the rotopacks on one side, recovery boards on the other side, and it's at this low height so we could accommodate a mini 3.0 iCamper tent. Gonna get the deck system all set in here so we could finish up the surround. Now that we have all the parts cut on the CNC router and cut to fit around all the risers coming through the bed, we tried it out and it fit perfectly the first time, as it should. And if you're wondering what keeps this whole thing secure, it is just bolted through the rack system, right through that cross member underneath the bed, and it holds it down nice and tight. No worries about it going anywhere.